Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been literally months since I posted up a video here. So we're gonna kick off the relaunch of my channel back up with a Dollar Tree haul. I'm gonna be doing these a lot more often because I love the Dollar Tree. Like, who doesn't like buying things for a dollar? Anyways, let's get into it. I have a bunch of random stuff, so I'm gonna just get into it. I bought two of these candles. It's the scent Cashmere Woodlands. And it smells pretty good. It's very muted. Like, you can tell that this was a dollar. Actually, I have it lit right now and you can't really smell anything. So I'll probably save my money when it comes to this because it doesn't really smell like anything. So I actually ended up buying two, and the other one I have lit right now and you can't even smell it. So I bought a couple of things for my son. They had these little fish pencil sharpeners and it has little googly eyes. So that's pretty cute. I figure he's about to start kindergarten in like a couple of days actually. So we're gonna need a bunch of pencil sharpeners. So I got this as well. It says multi-size sharpener. So this one has two. And yeah, I know we're gonna have to sharpen a lot of number 2 pencils within the next couple of weeks. Another cool thing that I got was this. It's like to do things. It says when I get to it, to do and don't forget. And these are going to be good to put on the fridge. I actually been writing like chores on the paper, so this is way better. I can just erase it. And I'm going to use this for my hubby too, because there's a lot of times where I tell him to do something and he totally forgets. So this way I can have like chores for my son written out, chores for my hubby written out, to-do list for me, and this will, I think it's going to come in handy. I also got this. The one that I have is like, you know, when you just erase too much stuff with the dry erase, now it's like barely erasing because it's all covered with marker. Now I have this. I bought this and only $1. Like, I love Dollar Tree so much. We're gonna start like a first aid kit for the car. So I got this. It comes with quite a few things for this little thing for $1. 8 band-aids, 4 other band-aids, 2 band-aids, 2 band-aids, gauze, and alcohol prep pads. And I figure that this is always good to keep in the car because you just never know. Like, we have a 5-year-old and I'm sure he's gonna get scrapes and bumps along the way, you know, when we go to the park and stuff. So it just opens up like this and has a bunch of stuff in it. And I think that's really cool and convenient to keep in the glove department of the car. I said department, glove compartment. I also got 2 things of tape, just invisible tape. I like to collect like craft stuff, and like I have a whole big supply of things like that, especially just for me. Like, I like doing crafts, and my son, he likes to do a lot of activities. That's what he calls it. He actually says activity, which is super cute. So I just like to have a bunch of things to keep him busy, and sometimes you just never know when you're gonna need things. And he's about to start school, so he's gonna need like a bunch of craft stuff for projects and all these years to come, all these years that he has to go to school. Dollar Tree is my favorite place to get these type of things. My son, once again, he needs to be kept busy, so he really enjoyed on my vlog channel. He was doing this, but it was like the color version, so I got him this, and he seemed to really enjoy books with stickers, so I got him all of these ones. This one is a letter sticker learning. We got shapes, letters, and colors, and he already knows all of those things. Like, he knows his shapes, his colors, his numbers. He's a super smart kid, but this just keeps him entertained, and it keeps him out of my hair and from driving me crazy. So if you guys have young kids and they're driving you crazy, go to the Dollar Tree. These things come in handy, and it's only a freaking $1. These are a must-have, definitely, to get from the dollar store. Like, you must get these type of things from the dollar store. It's a pretty small bag, so I end up getting 3, and I actually completely ran out of cotton balls, which is super annoying because I use these to take off my like eye makeup and stuff with my cellar water, and also for my nail polish. Like, I needed these and I literally had to use Q-tips. It was ridiculous. It was so ridiculous. So we went and we picked up these, and I got 3. Another not so exciting thing, I got these. I actually just wanted the tongue scraper, and for some reason I could not find a tongue scraper anywhere at Walmart, and this was $1, and it came with a cheapy toothbrush, and like, I'm probably not going to use like these 2 things. I don't even know what those are called. A dental aid and a dental mirror. I probably won't use that. Like, I'll just go to the dentist if I have a problem, but the tongue scraper for sure. I never really use a tongue scraper, but I figure that that's good oral hygiene. I also found these at the dollar store, and I thought these were good, especially for like cold and flu season. My son is about to start school, and he's been home with me since he was born. No preschool and nothing like that. So I'm anticipating a lot of colds this year. So I thought this was good just to keep in his backpack, or he can keep it at school or whatever, just in case. You just never know. I showed these in my last Dollar Tree haul, and we completely ran out of sponges, and it's 6 for $1, you guys. So I got 4 packs because these are the sponges that I use, and I love these way better. They don't stink and they dry super fast. It's kind of the same material that you use to wash your car. Growing up, we used to use washcloths to wash dishes, but I just found that they stink, and it's so hard to like let them dry completely, and I just find it gross. So instead, I have grown to use these, and I like these so much better. And I get 4 of them, and I just stock up and keep the extra ones in the closet. And yeah, because you go through sponges a lot, I like replace it probably like once every week. So these will come in handy. Anyways, you guys, that's everything that I got in this haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I know I didn't get too much things, but I think I'm going to start doing Dollar Tree hauls a lot more often because I buy things. So I might as well sit down and show you guys what I buy. Let me know down below what you guys always get from the Dollar Tree. What should I check out? I definitely always go and search like the little decor things. You can find a lot of things at the Dollar Tree. If you don't shop there, you definitely should. I'm super cheap, and that's like my favorite place to go. Like, if you on a budget, if you're not on a budget, why wouldn't you get things for $1 if you could? Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking and blabbing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what other types of videos you want to see here on this channel, because your girl is back. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.